Hey everyone, it's Aldo at Kixie here. So one of the most common use cases that I see at Kixie is speed to lead, meaning the minute a lead becomes available in your CRM, you want to call them right away. Now, most of the time, customers are less interested in assigning a contact owner to this lead than they are in having the next available agent go ahead and call them up, and then the minute somebody makes contact, that person then becomes the contact owner. That's a very common scenario that I see here, and we actually have some functionality that addresses that very use case. So I'm going to show you how to use a HubSpot workflow and Kixie's outbound call to queue functionality to have the next available agent on your sales team call a new lead when they're created in HubSpot. So let's jump right in. And I'm looking at a contact-based workflow in HubSpot, and it's really a very simple setup here. So we see that the trigger for this workflow is create date is known, meaning the lead has now been created. So all of your new contacts going forward, once you turn this workflow on, the minute they get created in the CRM, they're going to be enrolled into this workflow. So the action step is also very simple. It's an outbound call to queue through Kixie. I'll show you what that looks like. I create a new action, I type in Kixie, and I select send to a call to a queue. So basically, I want to enroll a customer's phone number into my call queue. Now, traditionally, Kixie call queues are used for inbound calls. You have a high volume of inbound calls going to a team, and you want to put people on hold and have them lined up waiting in the queue for your agents to take them one by one as they become available. But we can also repurpose these tools or these call queues for outbound calls. So we're going to enroll a phone number into an outbound call queue, and it's going to line all of these phone numbers up in a list and call them one by one. But more importantly, it's going to distribute these phone calls to the next available agent in that queue. That way, you're not waiting for a contact owner to become available to call someone. You're literally tapping the next available agent and have them reach out right away so they can get in contact with this new lead. So when I do my setup here for outbound call to queue, I have to select the phone number field that I want to dial. So number to dial, and I find the default phone number field or any custom phone number field that I'm using. And then I'm going to be asked to input the queue ID, which you can get from the Kixie dashboard. And I'm going to include a link in the comment section below that explains how to set up a call queue and where you would find this queue ID. So basically, you can have more than one outbound call queue. And I want to specify which call queue with which team of agents I want to send this call to. And I can add a display name like speed to lead here. So when I hit save, I'll show you what the experience will actually look like for one of your agents who are receiving this type of call. New lead gets created, the dialer starts to ring, they see the name of the queue campaign right here, they click accept, and now they're outbound dialing to that lead. Here's the contact information right here on the dialer, so they can open up the contact record right in front of them, and that's it. They're making their phone call. And that way, you're going to increase your connection rate and your conversion rate by contacting leads the minute they get created in your CRM before any of your competitors have a chance to reach out. Go ahead and set this up in your HubSpot workflow. Let us know if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.